This is our new Mental X Smellables Snowflower Capsule. We got Nezuko on the back from Demon Slayer, sitting in a Federal tire. If you guys are interested, link is in the description below. Hop them now before they're gone. It is super limited and we might not drop this again. Let's get back to today's video. Oh shit, new car, who this? Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Do you guys like this new daily? We are out here on a road trip to Santa Rosa, California, which is about 6-7 hours away, because today I'm finally picking up the manual transmission for the Supra. And I hope you guys are all having a wonderful Christmas day. If you guys are watching this right now, it is probably Christmas, so I hope you're having a great one with all of your family and friends. And we have my girlfriend here with me.
Hi.
She's being a real trooper and coming along with me on this full day road trip to pick up this transmission and some other goodies. I think we are about, I want to say like 2 or 3 hours into this drive. We got to go pick up this Prius from Anaheim. This is my rental because there's no way in hell that the transmission will fit into my Lexus. So if you guys can see back here, I have everything set up for the transmission. It's super spacious and I'm thinking about getting a 2010 Prius maybe next year. What do you guys think? A daily for my daily for my daily? It's Toyota, super reliable, amazing on gas. What do you think, babe? Should I get it? All right, so pretty much just gonna be driving from here on out. I will see you guys when I get to Santa Rosa, show you the transmission that I'm getting. It is probably one of the best transmissions that you can get for this car without really breaking the bank. It's kind of expensive, but I found it for a really good deal. Our first pit stop in the middle of nowhere. Look at this fire blacked out Prius. I'm gonna buy it. What do you think? So I really have to pee and we want to re-up on like drinks or whatever it is that we need, and then back on the road for another 350 miles.
I was falling asleep. I felt so bad.
I wish I was driving my car, but back on the road after this. Alright guys, after 7 hours of driving, finally made it. This place is actually really cute. Can't really see it, but right over this house there's a lake. Just looks so nice. Very relaxing. Alright guys, we got the goods. My girlfriend's driving. Killing it. I keep telling her to drive a little bit slow because it's really dark on this canyon. And she's mobbing down it really quick. Well, not anymore because there's all these cars in front of us, but she was going really fast. We're gonna head over to San Jose, probably pick up some Din Tai Fung, those dumplings that we really like. Maybe go to T-Sane, see if there are any cars there, get some boba, and then drive all the way back home. I won't show you guys what transmission I bought until tomorrow morning because then I'll have everything at home. On the road to San Jose. Where are we at?
Din Tai.
This is the best we can get.
In San Jose at the mall.
I know.
Yo,
Sorry.
this place is so nice. It kind of reminds me of one of the malls we have down over in our area, but this is really nice. So now we're gonna head over to T-Sang, eat this in the parking lot, get some boba. Yo, I think it might be colder over here in the Bay Area compared to in the valley.
Yeah, obviously.
Guys, this is what $110 worth of food looks like. She deserves the best because she powered through this trip with me. We're not even gonna get home till like 4 in the morning. And right now it's like what, 8?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's about 8 o'clock.
The night has just begun.
We just made it to T-Sane. Already found the super sick FRS. Oh, that shit is clean. So slammed. All right, you ready to eat?
Yes, finally. I'm so hungry.
We went about like 8 hours without eating, huh?
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Let's get it. God damn, another car. So sick. All right, babe, let's see what the hype's all about.
Yeah, the boba.
So what did they put my name down as for the boba?
Ethan.
Just like every other Vietnamese kid out in San Jose. I'm Ethan tonight. Would you date me if my name was Ethan?
With that face, I might have to.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and I still cannot believe that I managed to pull off getting a manual transmission swap. But enough talking. I'm sure you guys are so sick of hearing me talk, and you just want to see what kind of transmission I got and all the parts. Because when I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. You guys ready? Here it is. That's right. We have everything in this box. We got the pedals, all the bolts, everything you think of, cylinders, ECU, wiring harness, flywheel, clutch, drive shaft, and the R154 5-speed manual transmission with the sick-ass 8-ball shift knob. So this transmission is from the Mark IV Supra, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if that one is a 6-speed or if it's a 5-speed, but this is an R154. This puppy can hold up to about 500, 600 wheel horsepower without any rebuild. I'm not saying that I want to do a crazy power build, but just the fact that this transmission is reliable is going to be amazing. Maybe in the future I could do like 500, 600, but I'm honestly really content with like 300 wheel horsepower, 360, who knows? And I feel like once you dabble into power, you're always gonna want a little more power. So I went ahead and picked up this one. Good morning, sunshine.
Morning.
Thank you again for picking it up with me.
You're welcome.
What do you think?
Cool. You know, I don't know shit.
Women. Go give it a little shift.
I think I neutraled or something. What did I do?
You went into 4th gear.
Nice.
I think this is neutral because you can wobble it around. We got 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and I think that is reverse. We also got an ACT stage 2 clutch. You guys are probably gonna think that I'm silly because I should not be learning how to drive stick in the stage 2 clutch. But the transmission came with the stage 2 clutch, and I already spent a lot of money on this, and I didn't want to buy a stage 1 clutch. I figured, why not burn this clutch, have content for you guys, and then I can possibly go back to stage 1 or learn from my mistakes and get another stage 2, but drive stick better. Let me go ahead and hit you with some quick cinematics, just so you can see everything in all its glory. So what do you guys think? That is my whole manual transmission swap. It came with everything. The only thing I need to replace are the clutch lines, which all my buddies told me to get braided lines anyways. I'm pretty sure the clutch is in great condition still. Same with the transmission. If anything happens, I'll rebuild it. You never know when you're buying these used parts, but I trust the guy. Huge shout out to Kevin for selling this to me for super cheap. He saw my YouTube channel and he was like, bro, I want to see this all on your car, because unfortunately he could not use any of this anymore. He doesn't have time for the project and he wanted to see this on my car, since I'm going to be documenting all of it, and he just wants to see another car enthusiast enjoy it. So huge shout out to you again for holding on to it for me, letting me save up a little more money, and then coming straight to you. I'm really excited for this. It just goes to show every single thing that I said I would do on this channel, I went ahead and did it. I just didn't think I was gonna do this so soon, but that usually happens with every single thing that I've done to this car. For those of you who are still wondering, yes, I am gonna do a supercharger. I'm planning on doing it around maybe February, but the main goal is to get all of this into this car and rebuild it so that it's reliable enough to get me from point A to point B while this goes under the knife. But this isn't all. I still got a few more parts that I wanna show you guys for the rebuild. Yeah, we got all this stuff for the Supra. I haven't even opened it yet, so who knows if everything's even in here. So I got exhaust manifold gaskets, just in case, why not? Get a better brand. I got HKS head gaskets, metal head gasket. I don't know if you guys know, but the 7M is notorious for blown head gasket problems because Toyota fucked up when they manufactured the car. So this is gonna be a good upgrade after we resurface the head. I got the best of the best. And they're on back order, so I'm glad they came. Oh, we got the ARP head bolts. So this is an upgrade too for the head gasket. We got an upgraded oil pump. Yes! We got the hood struts. Where's the other one? As you guys know, I'm tired of using my fucking Supra stick. This is the upgraded fuel pump. I think that's it. Is there really only one? Damn, maybe that price was only for one. No wonder why it was so cheap. I think it could hold up my hood with just one strut. What do you guys think? Just get a carbon fiber hood, fuck it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it's not a lot. I just wanted to get every single pump I can get. Water pump, fuel pump. I have the timing belt kit. I have water pump in there. Basically I have everything except for all the hoses, cam seals, gaskets. But my buddy who's helping me rebuild the car, he works at Toyota, so he's gonna be able to get all that for me. Oh shit! Ah! A bee. All of this stuff for this pile of junk. When we were up in Santa Rosa, my girlfriend bought me the sickest car parts. But I can't show you guys We're gonna install it later on, but they're right here. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Got a little early Christmas present. Oh no, is it starting to rain? It is raining. My wrap! You guys hear that?
My hair.
Oh man, I guess the wrap's coming up today. That's gonna be it for this part of the video. I actually wanted to have my girlfriend take the Lexus and have her drive it. What do you guys think? Maybe we'll have you drive it and see what you think about the new tune and the headers and all that. It's not like fast, it's just, it's like it woke up from its nap. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna put all this away before it gets fucked up. Oh, guys, I also forgot to show you, I got boost gauge and an air fuel ratio wideband gauge. These are cool, super simple, super cheap. They light up, they get the job done. I didn't want anything too fancy. Maybe in the future I'll get the Gretty one, but these are cool for now. And I've always wanted boost gauges, so super stoked. Let's have her drive the Lexus. Getting someone else.
As long as it's not me, I don't care.
He pulls a U-turn.
Imagine, shut the fuck up. I would die.
Have fun. Damn, speeding away from the cops, Jesus.
Oh, I don't think he turned around. Can't do a good pull at 35.
Yeah.
Like, what the heck? Ooh, speedster over here. What, everyone wants to race me now? I can't go very fast. Promise you that. $35 my ass. I'm just kidding.
Whoa.
Shit, sorry, babe.
My cars. It's all good. Speedy McSpeedster over here.
Well, it sounds better when you're going faster.
How's that? Guys, I'm gonna be honest, after driving the Prius and going back to this car is infinitely better. Suspension is a little stiffer. I love it. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta love the rain. Fire. I hope you guys enjoyed that. What did you think?
That was fun. I always love driving your car.
Nice. Guys, during the pulls, she obviously wasn't phased because I'm always flooring it randomly and she's used to it. She just trusts my driving, I guess.
Yeah.
That's pretty much gonna end it for today's video. I know it wasn't super crazy. We didn't do anything to any cars, but we have all of those parts that you guys saw. I cannot wait to install those and have the Supra up and running, learn how to drive stick myself, burn a few clutches, and then have her do the same. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for making it to the very end. We hope you are having a wonderful Christmas, and we hope that you get every single thing that you guys wanted this year. 2021 will be amazing. More videos to come. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
And guys, don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good.
Yup. Oh. Later. It was fun while it lasted. Time to unwrap.